There's something in the air, and I've never seen anything quite like it. Every curve, every detail, every single part has been considered, designed, and engineered to make this incredible new truck sleeker, safer, smoother. Introducing the Volvo FH Aero, the newest member of the Volvo Trucks family. Available in diesel or electric and loaded with innovative technology to keep you comfortable and safe. No matter where you're headed, the Volvo FH Aero cuts through the wind. Quietly delivering new levels of efficiency. The new Volvo FH Aero. Maximum efficiency for the long haul.